Hey everybody, it's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. I will hope that you would click the subscribe button as well as the little notification bell. That way, anytime I post a video, you know. So, I'm doing my Cocoa Daisy unboxing, y'all. This is the August Cocoa Daisy box. So, Charisma was like, why don't you do an unboxing? Like, I never do unboxings. I don't know. So, I was like, you know, you're right. So, I ordered the A5 planner kit and the add-on. So, I'm going to start with the planner kit and then do the add-on. So, this month is, the theme is Farmer's Market. Excuse the noise from the packaging. The theme is Farmer's Market. Of course, I already was looking at it, so, you know, but that's okay. This is the Cocoa Daisy sticker album. This thing looks like a planner, y'all. Look at this. It has a pocket. Secretarial pocket, I believe. The Cocoa Daisy logo here stitched in. And plenty of pockets for stickers and or die cuts, whatever floats your boat. And adhesive pockets. It's two. Let me just open them so you can see. It's the smaller one, and then the bigger one says cook, eat, enjoy. Next is this is the planner. These are the planner inserts for August. Excuse the fan, it's 100 degrees. So every month you get these in whatever theme it is. So it's Farmer's Market, so it has the vegetables along the side. On this side it says farm to table menu. I guess this is where you could put your weekly meal plan here, or you know, your grocery list, and put your meal plan here, whatever you want to do. And then you have this doc grid for notes. For me, I use this for the vision board for that week. And then it's just the weeklies. That's this week, and then you get another vision board area, and then another. Let me get through that. Then another. They all have the same thing: the pig, the chicken, the rooster. Or I think it's a rooster. The pig and the cow. So, chicken, pork, and beef. Okay. Look at that. I like that. These are the notes section. My roost, my rules. So that means my house, my rules, y'all. And this is the monthly calendar for August. The days are long, but the years are short. Very true. And they, people who love to eat are always the best people. And it always comes with each month for spots. So the daily to-do list look like this: must do, call or email, to-do list, hydrate, schedule. I think these are super cute. 15-minute pickup, meals, notes and ideas. So look at that pig. You know what? I'm not feeling that, but okay. I like the vegetation around the border and everything. So they give you a whole bunch. Look, I mean, this is more than enough for the month, okay? Because I have the July ones. They look different. It's a tropical theme for July, so it looks different, but all in all, I'll still have more left over. So next is this. Let me open this up. This is a notepad. that says bon appetit with the plate and some cherries. Here's the stickers that come with the kit. Hello August notes, daily to do. This is what I use to put on the, let me pick this up right quick. You see this has the tabs. You put the tabs on the end of your weeks if you so choose. And there's other die cuts in here. I'm a die cut girl, so this this box is good for me. So I put these, you know, on the tabs. I don't know why I keep having them brain farts, but anyway, look at this. This is the Cocoa Daisy box. You put this on your calendar for when your box is coming. You put this on your calendar on reveal day. Back to school is August, so they have a sticker there. Meal plan, shopping list, day trip on the menu. Dinner date, where, when, barbecue, stuff to buy. So this is just the date dots and stuff, and a few deco and meal plan, clean, groceries and stuff like that. Then you have this sheet. It also has 2 tabs on it and different decorative elements. So this, it comes with the pen. I don't know where the pen is. Or it must be still in the box. So they give you 2 pen refills every month. Just so you know. Y'all gotta bear with me now. These are the papers you get. They're front and back. So everything looks like farmhouse, farmer's market-ish, asparagus and carrot. It says Cocoa Daisy Seed and Supply Store. I think that's cute. So yeah, you cut these up and make dashboards with them if you so choose. I have this washi tape that looks like just a red gingham washi tape, you know, so it looks like the tablecloth that we're all so used to. So next I'm gonna get the add-on kit and the pen out so you can see it. This is the pen. I just want to pull it out so you can see it well. That's the pen. The secret ingredient is always love. It says Cocoa Daisy, and as usual it has the daisy on top, the signature daisy. Yeah, so this is the add-on. It has washi tape with the vegetables, these vegetables on the washi tape. A small little shopping bag. You look ravishing. That's a cute little radishing, excuse me. It's a cute little radish. And it's small enough for you to throw your little suntan lotion in there and go to the beach or the pool or wherever you want to be. So this is more stickers that come with the add-on kit and die cuts, journaling cards I should say. Count the memories, not the calories. And this is just some blocks. And then these are the stickers. Just a lot of icons and stuff, alphas and letters, days of the week, meal plan for the week, a pinch of patience, a dash of kindness, a spoonful of laughter, and a heap of love. That's cute. And this is the journaling card. Good food and company are 2 of life's simplest yet greatest pleasures. Yeah, so I like that. have this tag that says Farm Fresh. I'm gonna, however, be using this tag to make a something. I'm not gonna say it. It'll be in a video coming soon. And more die cuts. Here they are. I don't want to open them. To do plans, tracker, meals, etc. So they give you enough for the way over a month. Then you have this little guy here, paper clip. Then you have a patch that says nom nom nom. And this, what is this? Okay, so it comes with this is separate. This is another third thing I ordered, which is the pocket cards. And these are journaling cards that comes with the kit. The month at a glance. This is good to put in the front of the planner. Family, food, and fun. Always a great time. Jesus. And the piggies and stuff on there. Then you have Yummy in My Tummy. Oh, that looks like a recipe card, doesn't it? And okay, so oh yeah, so that one. This is the last one. Fresher, the fresher the better. This is the absolute truth. And if you can't get fresh, frozen is your next option. Good eats. Yeah, so these are all the cards. And this is the sticky notes. It says write it down. So if you made it this far, go ahead and give my video a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly and my channel is She Loves Planners. And I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.